Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am very glad to be with you just to have this video for you. Don't forget that you are on the channel of Felix. Okay, Felix Alexandre, a channel that is up to teach people all over the world how to speak languages. So I invite you to subscribe the channel to receive every single video and don't forget to share the videos to other people just to let other people find the videos and to speak English or French, even Spanish, wherever people can be in the world. So this video today is going to be about everyday activities. Everyday activities, activities that you do every day. Activities that you need to speak English every single day. So, let's be together just to learn something very special about everyday activities. The first verb that we are going to talk is the verb to eat. To eat, manger. To eat means manger. The present continue of this verb is I am eating. Eating, If you say I am eating, je suis en train de manger. Je mange. I am eating. The second verb is the verb to drink. To drink means boire. To drink, boire. If you say I am drinking, je suis en train de boire. C'est-à-dire je bois. I am drinking. The third verb is the verb to cook. To cook, cuire. To cook, cuire. I am cooking. Je suis en train de cuisiner. De faire la cuisine. Ou bien, je cuisine. Ou je fais la cuisine. We have the verb to read. To read. To read means lire. To read, lire. If you say, I am reading. Je suis en train de lire. Ou bien, je lis. Je lis. I am reading. The verb is, we have another verb that is the verb to study. To study, étudier, to study. I am studying. Je suis en train d'étudier. J'étudie, J'étudie. I am studying my lessons. J'étudie mes leçons. I am studying my lessons. The verb to teach. Another verb that is the verb to teach. To teach means enseigner. Enseigner. I am teaching. Je suis en train d'enseigner. Ou bien, j'enseigne. I am teaching. Another verb that is the verb to sing. To sing means chanter. To sing. Chanter. If you say, I am singing. Je suis en train de chanter. Ou bien, je chante. I am singing. Another verb that is the verb to sleep. To sleep. Dormir. To sleep. If you say, you cannot say I am sleeping. On peut pas dire I am sleeping because when you're sleeping, you don't know. Parce que quand vous dormez ou bien tu dors, tu ne sais pas. Mais je peux dire my father is sleeping. Mon père est en train de dormir. My father is sleeping. My mother is sleeping. My brother is sleeping. My friend is sleeping. Joe is sleeping. The verb to sleep means dormir. Ou bien s'endormir. We have the verb to swim. To swim. Nager. To swim. I am swimming. Je suis en train de nager. Bien, je nage. I am swimming. Okay? We have the verb to plant. To plant means planter. I am planting. Je plante. Bien, je suis en train de planter. I am planting flowers. I am planting flowers. Je suis en train de planter des fleurs. I am planting flowers. Okay. We have another verb that is to watch TV. To watch TV. Regarder la télé. To watch TV. I am watching TV. I am watching TV. Je suis en train de regarder la télé. Ou bien, je regarde la télé. I am watching TV. If you say to listen to music. To listen to music. Écouter la musique, okay? Écouter la musique. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. Okay? J'écoute à la musique. Okay? J'écoute la musique. I am listening to the radio. J'écoute à la radio. I am listening to. Okay? So, we have another verb that is the verb to play cards, to play, jouer, okay, to play cards, jouer aux cartes. I am playing cards, je suis en train de jouer aux cartes, ou bien je joue aux cartes, O-A-U-X, okay. So, we have the verb to play baseball, to play baseball, to play baseball, jouer au baseball. I am playing baseball. I am playing baseball. Je suis en train de jouer au baseball. Ou bien, je joue au baseball. I am playing basketball. I am playing basketball. Je suis en train de jouer au basketball. Je joue au basketball. I am playing soccer or I am playing football. I am playing soccer for American soccer. Le jeu de foot américain, soccer, ou bien soccer, up to the way that you want to pronounce the word. We say soccer or we say soccer, okay? Football américain. Je joue au football américain. Je joue au foot américain. But you can say, I am playing football. Okay, I am playing football. Je joue au foot. Je joue au football. Okay. I am playing volleyball. Je joue au volleyball. Je joue au volleyball. Je suis en train de jouer au volleyball. Okay, we have the verb to work, travailler, to work. I am working. Je travaille. Je suis en train de travailler. I am working. I am talking. Je parle. I am talking. Je suis en train de parler. I am talking to my father. Je parle à mon père. I am talking on the phone. Okay? I am talking on the phone. Je parle au téléphone. We have another verb that is the verb to wash. Laver. I am washing. Je lave. Ou bien, je suis en train de laver. Okay, we have another verb that is the verb to walk. To walk means marcher. I am walking. Je suis en train de marcher. Okay, ou bien je marche. So, I want to let you hear with these verbs because they are very important to speak English. Je vais vous laisser avec ces verbes. Ils sont vraiment importants pour parler l'anglais. Okay? They are a verb that you need to use every day. Ce sont des verbes dont vous avez besoin pour parler chaque jour. Okay? Don't forget that was the channel of Felix, a channel that is up to teach people all over the world how to speak English, French, Spanish. Okay? N'oubliez pas que c'était la chaîne Félix Alexandre, une chaîne destinée spécialement pour parler les